let us look to few sums. If you are given with the two matrices, you have to subtract them and you need to find out the value of x and y. Now here if you look to the question, the matrices is of the same order, right? That is 2 by 2. So a subtraction is possible. Now as the subtraction is possible, can I directly write 5 minus 1, 2 minus x minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, y minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3, 7, 2. Now here if you write it down, that is 4, 2 minus x plus 1. It means that it is 3 minus x minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, y minus 1 plus 3. It means that it is y plus 2, which is equal to 4, 7, minus 3, 2. In the previous lecture, if you have observed, now it's the matrices are equal to each other. So if you want to equalize, you can equalize each and every element, right? So here 3 minus x is equal to 7. So 3 minus x is equal to 7, and therefore x is equal to 3 minus 7, which is equal to negative 4. Similarly, y plus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 0. So this is the value of x and y. So I hope it is clear. Now, here you are given again with the two matrices, that is A and B. Now what you need to find out, you need to compute 3A plus 4B. Okay. So here what we have to do, first let us say we will find out 3A. So what is 3A? That if you are given with the matrices A, 1, 4, 2, 3, we have to multiply with 3. See, here if you are multiplying only with the number, you don't have to see the order or anything. Just simply we will multiply. Okay. So here your answer will be 3 times 1 will be 3, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is my matrices 3A. Now when you have to find 4B, simply we will multiply 4 with 1, 2, 3, 1, and now we can write down the answer, that is 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4. We got the matrices. Now what we have to do, just we have to add them. So 3A plus 4B is equal to, let us write the matrices, that is 3, 12, 6, 9 plus 4, 8, 12, 4, and the final result will be, we will add 3 plus 4, 7, 12 plus 8, 20, 6 plus 12, 18, 9 plus 4, which is equal to 30. So this is our resultant matrix. So I hope this is clear to you. Let us check the next sum. Now see, here we have to solve the matrix equation. This is the equation they have given to us, and we have to find the value of x. So see, it's a simple equation like what you solve in the algebraic equation. Simple thing is that what we are going to do, we will make 3x as a subject. Okay, so if I'm directly writing here, let us say 3x is a subject. So first what I'm going to do, see, 3x is negative. If I move it to the right side, it will become positive, right? So I'll write it down first. the matrix that is 2 1 5 0. I'll subtract the matrix minus 7 4 2 and 6. Okay, I have just simply moved the x over this side, matrices over this side, right? Now what you can do, we'll do the subtraction. So 2 minus minus plus, so 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 minus 4 which is equal to negative 3, 5 minus 2 will be 3, 0 minus 6 will be negative 6. Now this is our 3x. Now what is the question that you need to find out x? मतलब मुझे ये 3 नहीं चाहिए. And you know that if you don't want anything, what you can do? Here you can divide, like you can write divide both sides by 3. So can I write like this? X is equal to 1 over 3, 9 minus 3, 3 minus 6. Now see, when you get this kind of a sums, now just think, 9 minus 3 is 3, 6, this all are divisible by 3. And if they are divisible by 3, I'll simplify and I'll write here 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2. So this is our resultant matrix. Is this clear? So only the thing what you have to learn here, that here if you are given 3 with any or whatever you are given, like if you just want to find out x, if any coefficient, anything is given over here, you can just simply divide. And if you are dividing the matrix with that number, if it is divisible, you will get the solution. अगर वो divisible नहीं है तो चिंता की कोई बात नहीं, आप fraction में रख दो answer. But you have to divide it, right? अगर नहीं भी चाहो तो you can keep like this as it is, right? So this is the, I hope this is clear to you. Now the next, here you are given with the matrices M. We have to find a transpose matrix. First question, you need to find out the transpose matrix. अगर आप लोगों ने पहला लेक्चर या पहला वीडियो देखा है, उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था व्हाट इज द ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, तो कुछ नहीं करना है ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स में. इफ दिस इज माय मैट्रिक्स M, 5 minus 3 minus 2 4, if you want to make a transpose matrix, we will just alter ये जो मेरी column है ना, I'll make it a row. So I'll write here 5 minus 2 minus 3 4. That's it. This is my transpose matrix. You just need to change the row into the column. The column into the row. That's it. Clear? अब हमारे पास क्या दिया हुआ है? Now here you are given with the thing that first question, M plus add the transpose matrix. So okay, तो मेरे पास M क्या दिया हुआ है? M matrices M is 5 minus 3 minus 2 4. We have to add to the transpose matrix, that is 5, negative 2, negative 3 and 4. ठीक है, so now if I am adding it, the resultant matrix will be 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10, right? Minus 3 minus 2 will be equal to negative 5. Minus 2 minus 3, again negative 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is our final answer. Is this clear? ठीक है, आज एक छोटा सा होमवर्क है, ये आप ट्राई करिए. You are given with the matrices M, you are given with the transpose matrices. Just try to subtract. If you get your answer, you can comment me कि भाई आपका आंसर इसमें क्या आया है, right? So I'll be waiting for your answers. Just try to solve it. Okay. Now the next is, चलो अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? You are given with the different matrices A, B and C, right? Again the question is find x. अब यहाँ पे you are given with again the equation that a plus 2x is equal to 2b plus c. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will just create will multiply everything. So a, पहले मैं equation लिख लेती हूँ. What is our equation? A plus 2x is equal to 2b plus c. Now a is 2, negative 6, 2, 0. Now we have to add. We don't know what is x. I'll keep it as it is. 2 times b. So 2, we'll write down the matrices b minus 3, 2, 4, 0. We will add c to this 4, 0, 0, 2. Now we'll keep 2x as a subject. We'll try to shift this matrices to the right hand side, right? So as it is positive, we know that if it is moving over the right side, it will become negative. So that I'll write it down at the end. So first I'm multiplying this. So 2 into 3, that will be negative 6, 4, 8, 0. I'll add it 4, 0, 0, 2. I'll subtract 2, negative 6, 2 and 0. So now here, if you add it up, you will get negative 6 plus 4, that is negative 2, 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 2, 2. Now we have to subtract 2 minus 6 to 0. So here you are going to get negative 2, which will be equal to negative 4. 4 minus minus plus. So 4 plus 6, that will be 10. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 0 will be 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. But what it is given to you, this is equal to 2x. And we need to find out the value of x, right? So as you need to find out the value of x, what again we will be doing? We will divide this, right? So if 2x is equal to minus 4, 10, 6, 2. So x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 4, 10, 6, 2, and you will get the final answer, that is negative 2, 5, 3 and 1. So this is the value of x matrices. So I hope how to calculate this is clear to you, right? Chaliye. Now the next sum. Now see, here you are given with certain equations, right? देखिए एक इक्वेशन तो आपको ये दिया हुआ है कि भाई x plus y is equal to certain matrices, right? Again they have given you x minus y is equal to certain matrices. अब आपको अगर पता हो कि whenever you have to solve the equation simultaneously, right? जब हम कोई भी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं, मेरे पास दो इक्वेशन है, तो वी हैव ओनली टू फेनोमेना, आइदर यू ऐड बोथ द इक्वेशन और यू सबट्रैक्ट बोथ द इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे भी हम कुछ यही करेंगे. What we will do, let us say मैं इसको नाम दे रही हूँ, this is my 1 and this is my second equation, क्योंकि इक्वल है इसलिए इक्वेशन तो है. So what I am going to do, first add 1 and 2, right? So x plus y plus x minus y, which is equal to, we need to add the matrices also. So 7, 0, 2, 5 plus 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay, यहाँ पे can we cancel negative y, positive y, तो बच गया मेरे पास 2x which is equal to 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 2, 8. राइट? अब आपको पता ही है कि भाई अगर 2x दिया और मुझे x चाहिए, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 2. तो जब मैं इसको डिवाइड करूंगी बाय 2, सो वी विल गेट द आंसर दैट इज इक्वल टू 5, 0, 1, 4. Done. So this is the value of X, or this is my X matrices, right? Now suppose if we want the value of Y, because we have to find out the Y also, right? तो अब हम इस पे क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे we have added. Now here subtract 1 and 2. So we will write X plus Y negative X. Negative negative will become positive, right? तो यहाँ पे आपका X cancel हो जाएगा. So here it will be 2Y. We can subtract the matrices 7, 0, 2, 5 minus 3, 0, 0, 3. So if you now subtract it, 7 minus 3, 4, 0, 2, 2. Right? Again, Y is equal to 1 by 2, 4, 0, 2, 2. So final answer will be 2, 0, 1, 1. Simple. So I hope now you can calculate the matrices if it is given to you in the form of equations, right?